So we go and have a quick look at how to find outliers. Looking at this set of data here, and this is one where I've commonly used the possibility of maybe age in a classroom where maybe you've got a teacher and you've got a bunch of students. This piece of data here is clearly different to everything else. It stands out as different. It's an outlier. We know that because we can see it's greatly different, but if we need to investigate to see if something is an outlier or not, we need the upper fence and the lower fence. So to do that, we need the 5-number summary first, where we find the min, find Q1, find the median, find Q3, and find the maximum. Minimum was 15, maximum was 33. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the median fits in here. Halfway between 16 and 16 is still 16. So the median is 16. Lower half, halfway in the lower half between 15 and 16 is 15.5. So Q1 is 15.5. Upper half between 16 and 16 is 16. So Q3 is 16. So we need to find our upper fence and lower fence. We'll do the lower fence first, which is Q1 take away 1.5 by IQR. It means we need the IQR from this. IQR is Q3 take away Q1. So 16 take away 15.5, which is 0.5. Now I should have had the equals lining up. So here Q1 was 15.5, take away 1.5 times 0.5, 15.5 take away 0.75. I'm just going to have to check that. Okay, so I had it right, and when you do that sum, you end up with 14.75. So any numbers below 14.75 have to be outliers. There's none below 14.75, so in this case, there is no outliers on the bottom side. But we also need to check the upper fence. Now looking at this, it is on the upper side. It's so much bigger, we're expecting that 33 to be an outlier. So upper fence is Q3 plus 1.5 by IQR, which is 16 plus 1.5 times 0.5, which is 16 plus 0.75, which is 16.75. So anything above 16.75 has to be an outlier. 33 is above 16.75. So in this case, 33, when I find where the pen's gone, down here, 33 is an outlier. The answer to this question is this would be the part that you'd be looking for, because the fact there's no outliers below hand doesn't really matter when 33 is an outlier somewhere. If there was outliers below and above, you would say that this, if you had, say, 12, you would say 12 and 33 is an outlier.